What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another Positive Rossman production. Going to be replacing this door handle on the Toyota Sequoia. As you can see, it's broken, so I'm just going to hop right into it. Alright guys, see you soon. Alright, well, we're all done here. The ultimate test. Everything seems to be working great. Well, everyone, thank you so much for liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching the content. Be sure to hit that bell button. There's going to be a lot more things in the future, and hope to see y'all soon. Don't forget to be positive to one another.